How to change name on Expedia flight. Changing the name on a flight booked through Expedia depends on the airline's policy and the stage of your booking. Here's what you can do. Most airlines allow minor name corrections, but complete name changes may not be allowed. Log into your Expedia account and locate your flight under My Trips. Select the flight and look for the option to manage your booking. If name changes are allowed, the process will be listed there. If no option is available, you'll need to contact Expedia customer service via online chat or help center. In some cases, the airline may allow you to correct the name directly. Use the airline's customer service or manage your booking on their website using the confirmation number from Expedia. Airlines may charge fees for name changes or corrections. Thanks for watching.